Porsche 911 GTS is a high-performance sports car that sits between the standard 911 models and the track-focused GT variants in the 911 lineup. It is known for its combination of enhanced performance, sporty styling, and everyday usability. Here are some key features and characteristics of the Porsche 911 GTS. Performance. The 911 GTS is powered by a potent engine, typically a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, delivering increased horsepower compared to the standard 911 models. It offers exhilarating acceleration and impressive top speeds. The exact performance specifications may vary depending on the specific model year. Handling. Porsche is renowned for its exceptional handling dynamics, and the 911 GTS is no exception. It typically features a sport-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and a lower ride height, all contributing to enhanced agility, responsiveness, and precision on the road or track. Design. The 911 GTS showcases a more aggressive and sporty design compared to the standard 911 models. It often includes distinctive styling elements such as wider bodywork, unique front and rear bumpers, black accents, and GTS badging. The interior is typically well appointed with premium materials, sport seats, and modern technology features. Driving experience. The Porsche 911 GTS aims to provide an engaging and thrilling driving experience. It often comes equipped with performance-enhancing features like a sport exhaust system, rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, depending on the variant, and various driving modes that allow the driver to tailor the car's characteristics to their preferences. Everyday usability. Despite its high-performance nature, the 911 GTS is designed to be practical for daily driving. It typically offers a comfortable and well-appointed interior with features like dual-zone automatic climate control, advanced infotainment systems, and available driver assistance technologies. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. Until next time, keep exploring the world of cars, stay safe on the roads, and enjoy the journey.